We can now use Ollama with any GGUF model on the Hugging Face Hub with a simple Ollama run command. I will be trying this out using the Open Web UI. I will leave a link to this page and to the video I made a while back with the installation of Open Web UI. I will now speed read the details from this page. This page mentions that Ollama is an application based on Llama C++ to interact with large language models directly through your computer. You can use any GGUF quants created by the community on Hugging Face directly with Ollama without creating a new model file. At the time of writing, there are 45k public GGUF checkpoints on the hub. You can run any of them with a single Ollama run command. We also provide customizations like choosing quantization type, system prompt, and more to improve your overall experience.
Oh dear, are you okay?
I am fine. Getting started is as simple as running Ollama run, followed by the Hugging Face URL for the repository, as shown in this example. Please note that you can use both hf.co and huggingface.co as the domain name.
Why are you talking so fast?
30 cups of coffee anyways. Let's try this out. The first command will download the Llama 3.21 billion instruct GGUF. Right now in Open Web UI, I have no models loaded. With Ollama running on our machine, if we run that command, it will download that GGUF model onto our machine, just like it does with any other model we currently use with Ollama. However, when it completed downloading, I received an error message that says the code execution cannot proceed because MSVCP 140.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. This sounds like I don't have Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable installed. Upon clicking OK, I got another error saying the code execution cannot proceed because VC runtime 140.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. Click OK, and another error, the code execution cannot proceed because VC runtime 140_1.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. Click OK, and another error, the code execution cannot proceed because MSVCP 140.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem.
I think you should take a nap or something.
Oh, I am fine. This is the page where we can get the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. On this page, scroll down and install the x64 architecture version using the link. Make sure to read the 300 pages of the software license terms, then check the box to agree to the terms and conditions and click install. With that done, now if we rerun that Ollama run command, we don't get an error and can start chatting with the LLM. I will just say hi, and it responds with, how are you today? Is there something I can help you with, or would you like to chat? If we go back to the Open Web UI and refresh the page, this model will now show up in the list of models, and you can chat with it just like any other model you use here. You can also use custom quantization. By default, the Q4_K_M quantization scheme is used when it's present inside the model repo. If not, we default to picking one reasonable quant type present inside the repo. To select a different scheme, simply add a tag. And here they show an example where this model has a IQ3_M quantization, and we can add it after the model name separated by a colon. We can use it in the Ollama run command just like before, and specify a quantization, and it will download that specific quantized model. And that is all. Okay, bye.
He just fell asleep immediately after finishing that last sentence. Well, that was interesting. Anyways, I guess that is all for now. Thanks for watching.